We decided to co-parent Leah.
Wait, what? Wilfred, you can't do that. Alam mo, hindi porket inuurong na ni Carol yung custody case, hindi mo na ipaglalaban yung anak mo. There are repercussions if you don't pursue this, right, attorney?
Well, she's right, Wilfred. Hindi naman sa pinagbibintangan natin agad si Carol, but there could be laws or limitation of legal rights. Limited or no visitation rights at all. Hindi ka pagbibigyan ng guarantee na makasama mo ang anak mo, Wilfred. And consequent to that, there could be an emotional strain to your relationship. Magkakalayo kayo ng loob ng anak mo.
Maybe you should still file for custody, Dad.
Yeah. Listen to Amber, Wilfred. For all you know, that woman could be flying Leah out of the country para tuluyang ilayo sa'yo.
Hindi magagawa ni Carol yun.
But Wilfred...
Look, Ronnie. Nakapag-usap na kami ng mabuti ni Carol about this, okay? Uunahin namin ang kapakanan ng bata. And I'm sticking with that decision.